What's the problem?
This one after my name was writing also.
Come check your name.
Okay, I see.
It's my brother name. My brother name.
Which one?
This is my brother name.
We can tell.
Thank you. Thank you. What's this? Excuse me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.